This video explains how to handle female nuts that may be misformed. First, a little bit of information on the nut. We do check all of our nuts on the pre-assembled controllers and on our cables before we ship them to ensure that they have proper roundness. Now, what can happen is if a box is in shipping and the heat is high in the box, or it is crushed between two items, it can deform. Now, the reason we have this kind of plastic is so that it does not crack. Because so many people step on these connectors, we chose to have a more malleable plastic, but the downside to that is in certain cases, it can be a little flexible, especially when heat is applied to it. Now, that same issue that causes it to become deformed in high heat situations allows it to be returned back to its original condition. So what we're going to do, simply take, this is a heat gun. Now, we can also use hot water. Just take some hot water off of your tap and put it into a water bowl and let it heat up. Or a hairdryer also works. So we don't want to just push it back because it's actually set at this point, so we can't just push it back. So what we're going to do is we're just going to give it a little bit of heat here. And I'm just going to wait for this. And I'm just heating this up. I'm just going to give it a check. I can see that it's already slightly malleable. Just take a whole lot of heat. Now we can see, let me turn this off here. That it's malleable. You can see that it bends. Now what you want to do is give it some form, and the easiest way is to just plug it into a set of pixels and simply just screw the cap completely onto there. Then what will happen is as it cools, and if you want you can also use a cool rag to reduce the temperature if you wish it to stick immediately, and that will retain its form, and so whenever it is removed, it will come out, and it might even already actually be done now. It's pretty cool. You can see that it has returned to its round form and will make a perfect connection.